DJ Jerryman, no cooling. Make the sound touch the ceiling. Because when praise ascends, heaven cannot pretend. And this is my evidence. My whole life turned around by praise.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by give me a like, share, comment, let me know where you are watching from.
Yes, you never gave up on me.
He never gave up on me is the title for this very one. Don't go anywhere, the best is yet to come. Just like I said it earlier some time back, that pure English version of the praises will be made available in due time, and here is the right time for it, that you are listening to them right now. And Pidgin version were also available on every streaming platform as well. Kindly check them out and you'll be amazed. Remain connected. And if today is your first time of coming across my show, please kindly do it by give me a like, share, comment, give me a follow as well to become a member of this community. Remain connected. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board.
DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. I walked away. You never gave up on me. I lost my way when I was weak. When I was tired. When I was falling. There you held me close. You never gave up on me. Come on, say it. You never gave up on me. No condition. You never gave up on me. No perfection. You never gave up on me. Still you love me. You never gave up on me. Clap your hands. You never gave up on me. Move your feet. You never gave up on me. Turn around. Turn around. You never gave up on me. Lift it loud. Left side say. Right side say. You never gave up on me. Everybody say. Say you never gave up on me. Say it again. Like the prodigal son who ran away, spent everything and lost his way. He came back home with nothing to say, but you ran to him, you did not delay. No rejection, no shame to see. Arms wide open, you welcomed him, and what he thought was over was just the start. You restored his life, you healed his heart. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. Even when I ran. You never gave up on me. Like Jonah in the deep, trying to escape, running from purpose and running from grace.